Hey guys and welcome back. In this video we shall see how to install and set up Grow app, and it is available for Android as well as iPhone. This Grow app can be used to invest in stocks, fixed deposits, mutual funds, IPOs and many more. It offers a 2-in-1 account services that allow investors to open a trading and demat account. So in this video we shall see how to set up your trading and demat account using the Grow app. And also there is no charge on opening a trading and demat account on Grow app, so it is totally free. And since we are talking about the charges, so let's see some of the charges that is available on the Grow app. So when we talk about the stock market, opening of account and AMC is totally free. So you can see trading and demat opening maintenance charges are zero, that is nil. Equity brokerage is 20 rupees or 0.05%, whichever is less. For example, when I apply for SIP, so if the amount that I have set for SIP is 1000, then 5 paisa according to this 0.05% is deducted as the brokerage fee by the Grow app. In the same way, the futures and options brokerage is 20 rupees per executed order. In the same way, you can check out for mutual funds, account opening is 0 and transaction charges are also 0. So that was about the charges. Now let's see how we can download and install the Grow app, and then how we can get it going, how we can register for the demat and the trading account. So let's get into that. So now this is my mobile phone. So I have not installed the app as of now, so I'm just going to open Play Store since it is a Android phone. And then after opening the Play Store, you just have to search for Grow, and Grow has a double W, and then in the result you will see the Grow app as the first result. So you can tap on it, and then here you can see this is the app that I'm talking about. It has 1 million reviews. So we can just tap on install and let the Grow app install. Now once it is installed, you can just click here on open button. Then the Grow app is going to open up like this, and it's going to ask if you want to allow the permission to send notifications. So you can just tap on allow here because we want to give the permission. Then after that you will have to choose an account to continue with the Grow app. So either you can choose from the email IDs which are already logged in into your phone, or you can use add another account option and add a new email ID if you want to use a new email ID with the Grow app. Then after that you will have to enter your 10-digit mobile number. This will be used to send OTP, and also you have to make sure that this is the mobile number which is linked to your bank account, because later the Grow app is going to check for the account or the bank accounts which are linked with this mobile number. Once you are done with that, you can just tap on confirm. Then you're going to receive one 6-digit OTP. Just enter it, and after that you are going to be taken up to this page where you have to set up a pin for your Grow app. So it's a 4-digit pin and it consists of only numbers, so you can just create a pin for your Grow app. Alright, now we have to give the permission for access to phone, SMS and location to the Grow app. Now Grow app is going to need access to your phone because it is going to authenticate whether the number which is in your phone matches with the number that you have provided to the Grow app. Then the SMS permission is needed to verify your bank, because the app is going to send some codes in the form of SMS to get the verification from bank. And then finally location, to make sure that you are residing in India. So you can see why the app is asking for these 3 permissions. After that you just have to tap on allow permissions. So just tap on allow and then allow for the SMS. And then finally for the location, you can tap on while using the app if you don't want to give the permission to the app to see your location all the time. Alright, then the Grow app is going to verify your mobile number, and you can see my SIM is verified now. Now we have to select the bank which is linked with this mobile number. So since I am using State Bank of India, so I'm going to use the details accordingly. In your case, you will have to tap on the bank with which your mobile is registered. And then after that, Grow app is going to fetch the details of your bank automatically. You can see that here. And then finally we will have to enter the PAN number. So you can just enter your PAN number here. And then the detail of your PAN is going to be shown in the screen like this. You have to check if the details are shown correct. If it is correct, then you just have to tap here on yes, confirm. Alright. Then after that, you have to check or tick mark the occupation. So if you are a private sector employee or a government sector employee, you can tick mark accordingly. Alright. Then in the next page, you'll have to enter your parents' detail. Then just tap on proceed. Then in the next page, you have to select your annual income. You don't have to be very accurate with this figure. Just give a ballpark number. And then after that, in the next page, you have to select your marital status. And then on the next page, you have to select if you have any experience with the trading and investment. So in my case, there is none. So I'll just click on no experience. Now on the next page, we have to verify the Aadhaar using OTP. So what we have to do is we have to enter our Aadhaar number and then we are going to receive one OTP on the registered mobile number. So I'll just tap here on proceed for KYC. It's going to open up the link for DigiLocker. Now DigiLocker is a application which is developed by the Ministry of Electronics and IT. Now according to the amendments that were made to the IT Act 2000 in February 2017, the documents which are provided and shared through DigiLocker are as good as their physical copies. So in this case, the Grow app uses DigiLocker for KYC because DigiLocker can fetch your documents from their respective servers for the verification. So since we are doing the verification using the Aadhaar, so that is the reason DigiLocker is required here. So all we have to do is we just have to tick here on this confirmation and then tap on authenticate Aadhaar. Now on the next page, we have to enter the Aadhaar number and then tap on next. Then you're going to receive one OTP on your registered mobile number. So you just have to enter it here and then tap on submit. Then after that, you have to set 6-digit PIN for your DigiLocker in case you are not a DigiLocker user. If you are already an existing user of DigiLocker, then you will have the option to just verify your account using your 6-digit PIN. So in case if you are not a user, then you will be asked to create a PIN for your DigiLocker. And then after that, finally, you have to give your consent to share the following information with the Digio Tech Solutions Private Limited. And from here, you can see the documents which are going to be verified by DigiLocker. It is Aadhaar card and the PAN card, and then your profile information such as your name, date of birth and gender. So what you have to do is you just have to tick here on allow. Alright. And the documents are going to be fetched from the DigiLocker and provided to the Grow app. So you just have to wait for the redirection. Alright. Now in the next step, you have to take a selfie for your KYC. So if you are wearing any spectacles, hats or mask, you can take them out because a clear visible face is required for the approval for your KYC. And then tap on open camera. And then you can give the Grow app the permission to use the camera only this time. Alright. Now as soon as you keep your face within this circle, the circle is going to turn green. Once it turns green, then you can just click on the take picture button. Then it's going to do the quick verification and extract the face from your selfie. Then after that, you have to do a quick e-signature. It is not the digital signature, so don't get confused with that. And you are giving permission to run account authorization for 90 days. And also you are specifying that you are an Indian citizen. So you can just tap on proceed to signature. Just okay, got it. Now here in this box, you just have to make your signature using your finger. And this box is not to be considered landscape. You have to sign in this way only, in this portrait mode only. Once you are done with the signature, you can just tap here on submit. Now on the next page, you have the option to add nominee. You can also do that later if you want, but it's better if you finish the process right away. you can enter the name of the nominee. Make sure that you enter the full name, and then you have to select the relation with your nominee, whether it's your brother, sister, mother, father, cousin. You have to select accordingly. Then after that, you have to enter the nominee's date of birth, and then if you want, you can add the identity proof of your nominee. In this way, you can add multiple nominees if you want. Once you are done with that, you can just tap here on finish nominee addition. Then you can just finish account setup by e-signing your document. You have to confirm that this mobile number belongs to you and it is verified. Then agree with the terms and conditions. Then finally, the account opening form is going to be shown like this. You can go through all the details one by one, whether there's any mistake that you have made. If you think all the details are correct, then you can just tap here on sign now. You don't have to do anything else here. And now you have to enter your Aadhaar number and tick mark this box which says I hereby authorize Protein E-Government Technologies Limited, and then enter your Aadhaar number here. Then you can tap here on this button which says send OTP, and then just enter the OTP. Finally, you can just tap here on verify OTP. Then your document will be signed successfully. You don't have to do anything, just wait for the page to be redirected. And then you will be shown a message something like this. You can start investing in mutual funds now, but your stock account opening is under process and you will be able to invest in stocks after 48 to 72 hours. So you can start investing in your mutual funds right now if you want to do that, but for the stock account you will have to wait for at least 2 to 3 days. So either you can tap here on add money to invest. It's going to add the money to the wallet of Grow app, but you'll have to wait for the verification of your bank before you can add money to the Grow app. So anyways, you can just tap on explore for now. You can enable the notifications. So this is the home page or the dashboard of the stocks of the Grow app. If you want to check it for mutual funds, you can tap here and you can see that the prices will be live after stocks account is active, because your stock account is not active right now. It will take 2 to 3 days. So that's all for this video. This is how we install and set up the Grow app, which we use for trading as well as for mutual funds. I hope you were able to download and install the Grow app and also set up your trading and Demat account. So if you like the video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.